Hello, tutor and friends from the course Phonetics and Phonology. I'm Luis Fernando Alvarez, and today I want to practice the 5 tongue twisters for this activity. So here I go. Number one, all I want is a proper cup of coffee made in a proper copper coffee pot. I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Tin coffee pots and iron coffee pot, they're not used to me. If I can't have a proper cup of coffee in a proper copper coffee pot, I'll have a cup of tea. 2. One was a red horse, 2 When 1 race, 2 3. Of all of the fell I ever fell, I never fell in a piece of fell, which fell as fine as that fell. When first I fell, that the fell had felt. 4. I missed the meat and called it fraud, with stouted wrists and louded boasts. He trod his feet against the post, and I still insist he sees the ghost. Number 5. Three thin thinkers thinking three thoughtful thoughts. Thank you very much. See you next time.